Alright, here it is. It's a 1988 K1500. Originally maroon with a V6. Got it painted red. Interior as well. Put a different bed on it because the other one was full of Bondo. Put the different doors from a 97. Managed to wire up the driver's side. I haven't got into the passenger side, missing those switches. So it's been a project for a while now. Let's pop the hood real quick. Show you the motor. It's got a 350 now. Bored out to 40. Poly carburetor. I just installed the electric fans. It needs the front drive shaft. I got the drive shaft already. I just need the bolts to bolt it up. So right now we're gonna take it to the muffler shop. It's got open headers right now. So we're gonna try to connect it to this pipe right there. All right, so I'll do a little time lapse of me loading it up onto the white truck daily. Let's get it. Got the truck squatting. Oh man. We got the truck loaded. So let's head to tire shop. Excuse me, a muffler shop. Tire shop soon though. Make sure we got it all strapped down good. Let's go. Okay, we made it. Black Diamond Barbecue was nice enough to let me park here in the meantime while I offload the truck. Here's the muffler shop in the back. There's limited space, so I had to do that. Made it, guys. Ooh, am I sweating? All right, we made it. I'm gonna go put those ramps back on the trailer, move the trailer, and hopefully leave the keys with these guys. So they're eating right now, so I'm gonna let them eat, and in the meantime I'll put the ramps. All right, stay tuned. Got the ramps. One thing I also have is this Borla. I'm gonna add a Borla. Right now it has a Thunder. Don't really know how that sounds, but gotta go with Borla. Gotta go with the Borla. So let's go and give it to these guys. Give them the keys as well. I was hoping to get some footage for you guys on the install, but I think they have other stuff instead to work on first. You got the Borla right here. You got the drive shaft so they can fit it. Make sure it's good. We're at a red light. Finally cooling off. It's hot out there. You know that RGB Texas heat. We got the trailer hooked up to the truck right now. We're headed back to the shop. We're gonna drop it off. He's gonna give me a call. It worked out. His guys are eating, so he'll give me a call once they're ready to work, and we can get some footage of the Borla getting installed with the white pipe. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So Danny called me back. We're at 3-star Muffler number 2 here on Bicentennial and Business 83. We made it back. Flip this camera around. 3-star Muffler. Looks like they already chopped off the old exhaust. It's a Thunder. And we are starting to put in the white pipe. Oh man, it looks good. We'll get some footage for you guys. Alright, so we've got these exhausts hooked up to the long tube headers. Got it. Sit around. Got the white pipe right there. Boom. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put it on time lapse. Put it on a time lapse, and then we'll get it recorded so we can install this board. ¿Cómo te llamas? Carlos. Carlos. Ya está. so we got it welded. We got it done. And it sounds so much better. Let's check it out. A lot of stuff I need to do to this truck, but this checks one off the box. Alright guys, so we got this truck running finally with an exhaust. There's a lot of stuff I want to do to this truck. I'm debating on whether I should swap out the bumper for the original one. I got it right here. So a lot of other stuff that I don't really need anymore. I'm gonna install this front drive shaft for the 4x4. I think the next thing on the list is to get it, get the AC installed. We have no AC and it's hot. So let me know what I should do to it. I want to bring it back to life, and if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. I'll post more videos on YouTube working on this truck, and I have a couple other trucks that I want to work on, so there'll be more videos. Alright, that's gonna conclude today's video. I'm really happy. I'm glad I decided to go with a Borla as opposed to the exhaust that it had on it before, which was Thunder. I remember hearing it when it had the V6 in it, but that was just for about an hour before I took out that motor. So I'm really happy. I think the next thing I want to do to this truck is gonna be obviously the interior. Finish that up. It was so much worse, but I can deal with that for now. I think what I want to do is the AC on this truck. It's too hot out here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the AC, and I got a friend that has a shop, so we're gonna take it there. Thank you 3-Star Muffler for working on my truck, and I'm definitely gonna go back to you guys. So if you guys are looking for a good muffler shop here in the RGV, Mcallen, go to 3-Star.